Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm working on a 99 Toyota Rav4. I was having an issue with this car for some time, maybe the last couple months. It did not want to start in the morning, kind of under a cold start, okay? But by the afternoon, sun's out, car would start no problem. I mean, it was still kind of hesitant, but it would start. And I was kind of wondering what was going on. Now, at first it wasn't really throwing me a code until just recently when it did not want to start at all. I couldn't even get it to do anything now. So I put the scanner on it and it popped up a P0335, I believe that is. Crank position sensor. Okay, crank position, not a cam. And I thought, well, okay, well, let's test this. How are we going to test this? How am I going to know if it's working or not? Before I really start digging into it, of yanking wires and probing it and this and that, I was like, damn, okay, what can I do? Let's locate where it's at. What does it do? How does it work? So on this particular vehicle, it's going to be down underneath here. Let's see if I get positioned. And a crank position sensor is right here on the 99 Toyotas, and it's roughly about the same like a Toyota Camry and whatnot, but there's a wire coming down here and there's a nut back here that holds it in place. Okay, so there it is right behind the harmonic balancer main crank pulley. So trying to start the vehicle, nothing, just cranks, won't even fire. Okay, so thinking about how this works, it's basically a magnet picking up the sense of the crank pulley going around, and then tells the motor, hey, okay, the crank's turning, this is our position for timing, whatnot. Okay, so I thought, you know, I wonder if I get like one of these magnets, right, the little telescopic magnet, and I wave it in front of the sensor. Okay, well, nothing's really happening right now. Okay, so I had my daughter get in the car, crank it over, and do this very carefully, but I had her get in the car, crank it over as I waved this magnet right here, and the car fired right up, no problem. Basically, it was like releasing the magnet inside, or the sensor, tripping the sensor of, hey, oh, there's a signal, we're gonna fire. So it's just a good little DIY diagnostic to check for a sensor. I didn't pull any wiring on anything. I wasn't able to really check in that, but being it did that, that's telling me I have a stuck or non-working crank position sensor. So I'm going to eventually have to get in here and replace that. But yeah, just waving a little magnet in front of it, you're kind of like just tripping the sensor to tell it, hey, there's something moving. So you give that one a shot, see if that works for you guys. This may also work with a cam sensor. I don't know for sure, but it seems in the same principle. So just something to keep in mind on that. All right, guys, good luck.